Hello, this is Professor Africa Jatadeku, speaking to you from Spartanburg, South Carolina, USA, and I'm here to share with you some of my Africa centricity poems. And this one is entitled United States of Africa is now for us to give birth to, not tomorrow, but today. United States of Africa is now for us to give birth to, not tomorrow, but today. Continental African togetherness in the warm motherly bosom of a mighty continental African superpower and government is the only air of survival and we need to rescue our suffocating continental African noses from the stone-hearted bulls of Babylon of neocolonialism. One united continental African nation sailing royally on the golden wheels of one continental African vision and breathing continental Africa air of destiny is surely the battle cry reward from eternal years of all continental and diaspora African groaning in stolen ocean of uncircumcised rotten teeth of greed and selfishness, turning all sons and daughters of mother continental Africa from tame crawling little chickens into all soaring continental African eagle of continental African freedom and happiness is the holy seed of victory we are planting and watering daily with the blood of our determination until all today's colonial, neo-colonial prison walls and doors tumble down into ashes at the sight of our continental African faith clothed in the bulletproof of our cuckoo, our African cuckoo, or African batakari, of our desire, fortified by the sacred and virgin womb of our divine continental mother of Africa centricity. Our one and only Africa-centric continental African government on the holy soil of our continental African front is the inner eternal capital and suffering we need to set free all the uprooted continental African personality, mind, heart, and spirit for the puppet and slavery in us to flee back to their owners. The United States of Africa is the only continental African power and means capable of offering all today's 1 billion continental diaspora Africa the true continental Africa independence and sovereignty for a just continental African world order of prosperity, happiness, and security for all. Now is the continental African age to seek shelter in our recovered continental African paradise of limitless power. Now is the continental African season to recover and use daily our sleeping mighty giant continental African willpower for an end to our African tears and humiliation all over the world. Now is the continental African time to believe and claim the miracles of our impregnable continental African mind, spirit, ancestral and divine power to break from our invisible chains and be free once and for all from the insult, the curse, and the genocide of preferring their crumbs to our continental African loaf. Now is the continental Africa hour to unearth the inner limitless divine capital for our continental African liberation with the hammer power of our recovered continental African mind. Now is the long awaited continental Africa moment of continental Africa oneness and togetherness to bury alive the genocide of our present fragmentation in self-ignorance. Now is the continental African year, the continental African month, the continental African day of positive continental African action to end all inaction now. Now is the precious continental Africa now for all continental diaspora African to wake up for the secret inner continental African key which alone can love for us the untold limitless treasures of the power of our recovered continental African kingdom of glory eternal. United States of Africa power is real and alive in our hearts, minds, and spirits, awaiting our immediate action. The United States of Africa dream is feasible for us to achieve no matter the odds. United States of Africa miracle mission is inevitable, whether we like it or not. Our United States of African success is success for all. United States of Africa pride is our pride. Pride come on board for the mighty. It's our pride. So come on board for the mighty continental African plane of our United States of Africa to take us off as continental African kings and queens of the world first continental Africa paradise on earth, in our holy continental Africa for life in dignity for all continental and diaspora Africa. United States of Africa is not a dream, it's a reality. United States of Africa is not impossible. Others have done it, we can also do it. So the time is, are you ready to wake up from our sleep and come together and reclaim what belongs to us? The continental African riches belong to us, all continental diaspora Africans. Not to the British, not to the French, not to the Portuguese, not to the Americans, not to the Arabs, not to the Jews, but to we as Africans. And as long as we let them keep us divided for our easy control and domination and exploitation, they will continue to be kings over us. So the issue is, as once the chickenized eagle knows that he's not a chicken but an eagle, you start learning how to fly again. So whether we like it or not, we are busy fighting for their crowns. We are busy trying to be big kings, little pawns. Yeah, that is okay. But as long as we let it be, we let it continue, it will continue. But the moment we come together and say, this is enough is enough, this continent belongs to us, nobody, they don't have the right to come and divide us for their benefit while we suffer. No. As soon as we claim that, we affirm that, then it becomes reality. And whatever we set our mind to do, we will do it, and everybody will be happy, including those who are benefiting from us. If you are free, they can't come there and cause confusion anymore. So the world will be a better place for all. So thank you very much.